Hello, welcome everybody. Today we're doing lesson 30. Guess what time it is? It's Eureka time. So, today's objective of the day is I can solve word problems with unknown numbers by using drawings and relating addition and subtraction. So, today we're going to continue working on word problems like we have, and we're going to keep solving for our unknown numbers by using our drawings and also relating it to addition and subtraction. Let's go ahead and start. Our key points. How are we going to do this? What do we need to know first to be successful? Well, we need to know what an addition sentence is and how we write an addition sentence, right? Part plus part equals whole. We also need to know how to write and what a subtraction sentence is, which is whole. You start with the whole number minus a part equals the other part. Well, we also need to know what our number bond looks like and where our whole or total go, which is at the top, and where our parts go. So every number bond has two parts and one whole number that goes connected to those two parts or total. And we also we're going to be working to find our unknown numbers. And what that just means is the part or number that is missing, right? Because here they have a whole, a part, and they have a question mark because they're unknown. They're missing a part. What are going to be the steps, or how are we going to be successful? Well, step one, you're going to find the whole number. You're going to draw it and box it. 2, find a part. You're going to draw it and box it. Step 3, you're going to find the other part, draw it and box it. And step 4, you're going to write an addition and subtraction sentence to match. You will understand as we practice. Ready? Let's start. Okay, so before we start, go ahead and press pause. Get your paper and pencil out so that you can go ahead and practice these problems. Remember that you're not writing the problem, you're just working it out on a sheet of paper or a blank paper using your pencil. Press play when you're ready to continue. Awesome. So let's go ahead and start. Our first problem reads, how many books do I have on this shelf? Look, how many books? Get ready. Yes, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But a student came and put some more books on the shelf. So close your eyes, because do we know how many more books? No, right? We just know that a student came to drop off more books. So go ahead and close your eyes. No peeking. Open your eyes. How many books are there now? Get ready. Yes, 7 books. Remember to say the unit, 7 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's make a number bond to figure out how many more books the student brought. Let me take out my pen. Go ahead and make a number bond on your paper. And let's make a number bond to figure it out. So how many books did I start with, if you can remember? Well, not start with. How many books do I have in total? Look at my bookcase. How many books do I have in total? Get ready. Yes, 7. And remember that our whole number or total goes at the top of our number bond. And how many books did I have at first before the student brought me some books? Remember, they were the ones standing. So how many books did I have at first? Get ready. 5. So let's go ahead and write 5 as a part. And now we have our missing part, which is our unknown number. This is the number of books the student brought. Do you know how many books the student brought? Get ready. Yes, 2 books. Go ahead and write it. Remember to always say the unit. You just don't say 2, you say 2 books. What can we do to solve how many more books the student put on the shelf? We're going to write the number sentence, but we're going to leave the mystery number blank this time. So let me go ahead and erase this because we're going to write an addition and a subtraction number sentence, but we're going to leave our mystery number blank. Ready? So let's write an addition sentence first. And remember, when we write an addition sentence, we have to start with a part. So what is my part in my number bond? Get ready. Yes, 5. So let's write, I write, you write, 5 plus our other part was our unknown number. So we're going to leave it blank. Let's go ahead and put a blank box. Equals, what's our whole number? Get ready. Yes, 7. Now let's write a subtraction sentence. Remember that when we write a subtraction sentence, we have to start with our whole number or total. What is our whole number? Get ready. Yes, 7. Minus, what's the part that we have? Get ready. 5 equals blank. You should have this on your paper. So now we're going to learn something new. Let's draw a picture number bond to show our story. Well, what is a picture number bond? Well, today we're going to learn to draw a picture number bond. It's the same as a regular number bond, except it has pictures. Ready? Let's do this together. Let's follow our key points. Here's how. First, we find the whole number and we're going to draw it and box it. And we had said that our whole number was, look at our old number bond. Get ready. 7. So go ahead and draw with me. Ready? We're going to draw 7 circles in a straight line. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We draw it and then we box it. Remember, you're not circling them. You're putting a box around them, just like this. Go ahead and do that. Now, key point 2, find the part. We draw it and we box it. Well, remember that let's look at our old number bond. Or if you didn't erase it, you should have it there. What is the part that we had? Get ready. Yes, 5. So go ahead and make a line and draw 5 circles. Draw them with me. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You go ahead and box it. And you draw a line to connect them. Make sure you go ahead and practice doing this because we're going to need to know how to draw a picture number bond to solve our problems. If at any point you need more time, go ahead and press pause and press play when you're ready to continue. Our third key point says find the other part, draw it, and box it. Well, you look at our picture, 5 of the books were the ones we drew right here. Those were the ones they started with. And then the 2 laying down are the ones the student brought. So what is our other part? Get ready. Yes, 2. Let's go ahead and draw 2 circles. 1, 2, and then we box it. Go ahead and make a line connecting it to our hole. And this is how you draw a picture number bond. So if you see, it's just like a regular number bond, except it uses pictures instead of numbers. So if you see the other number bond, it still has the parts 5 and 2, and the whole number 7. In our picture number bond, it just has the drawings instead of the numbers. There's 5 circles, 2 circles as the other part, and 7 circles in total. But remember one rule: keep your drawing organized, keep your drawing in a straight line. Should your circles be all over? No, they should be in an organized line. Let's practice another one. How many cookies do I have? Get ready. Yes, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A student came and gave me some more cookies. Does it tell me how many cookies? Get ready. No. Close your eyes. No peeking. Open your eyes. How many cookies are there now? Get ready. Yes, 7 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's make a number bond to figure out how many more cookies the student gave me. So look at the picture of the cookies. How many cookies do we have in total? Get ready. Yes, 7. If you look at the top row, that's the number of cookies we had first. How many cookies did we have first? Get ready. Yes, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is one of our parts. Before we put our unknown number, do you notice that this number bond is facing down? So our whole number this time went on the bottom, which is fine as long as you remember that your parts go side by side and your whole number is the circle attached to both parts. So before we find the unknown number, which some of us already know, let's go ahead and write an addition sentence. Remember that when we write an addition sentence, we start with a part. So what do we have as our part? Get ready. 4. Go ahead and write them with me. 4 plus blank equals 7. Now let's go ahead and write a subtraction sentence. And when we write a subtraction sentence, we have to start with our whole number. What's our whole number? Get ready. Yes, 7. 7 minus, what's the part that they gave us? 4 equals blank, which is our unknown part, unknown number. So how many cookies did the student give me? Well, those are the cookies at the bottom. Let's count them. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. How many cookies? Get ready. Yes, 3. So let's go ahead and write it in our box and write it in our number bond. Oh, we can't forget to label our number bond. Let's remember the total, we're going to put a C because we're talking about cookies. 4 is the number of cookies I already had. So I'm going to put an H for had. And 3 is the number of cookies the student gave me. So I'm going to put a G for gave me. Now let's draw a picture number bond to show our story. So again, we start by drawing the total. Remember, let's follow our key points. So we find the whole and we draw and box it. And our whole number, which is our total, is 7. So let's draw with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's go ahead and box it. Remember that our drawings must be in a straight line. I do not want to see our drawings all over the place. Key point 2 says to find the part and to draw it and box it. Well, what was our first part? If we look at our number bond, it was the one the number of cookies I had. Remember, we labeled those with an H. So how many cookies did I have at first? Get ready. 4. So let's go ahead and draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and box it. Then you go ahead and connect it. And then last, we need to draw our other part, which is the number of cookies the student gave me, which are the ones we labeled with a G, or unknown number. How many cookies did my student give me? Get ready. Yes, 3. So let's go ahead and draw it. 1, 2, 3. Box it and connect it to our hole. See how it looks the same way as a number bond, except it has pictures in a straight line instead of the numbers. This we're going to need to learn how to draw for our problem set. Now it's time to take out your problem set and open up to lesson 30 problem set. Go ahead and press pause and press play when you're ready to continue. Awesome job. At this point, now we should start writing our heading. Remember, name, date, and goal. That's idea 56, writing name and date on every paper. Idea 57, write your goal or growth goal on every paper. In our case, we're going to go ahead and write our goal. Go ahead and press pause and press play when you're ready to continue. Awesome. I'm going to read the instructions. It says, solve the math stories. Complete and label the number bond and the picture number bond. So we have to label both number bonds. Lightly shade in the solution. Ready to do number 1? So, pencils up, and we're going to underline. Get ready. Jill was given a total of 5 flowers for her birthday. How many flowers did they give her? Get ready. Yes, 5. Go ahead and circle 5. She put 3 in one vase. How many did she put in one vase? Get ready. Yes, 3. Go ahead and circle 3. And the rest in another vase. Does it tell us how many more in the other vase? Get ready. No, right? That's our mystery part, mystery number. How many flowers did she put in the other vase? And that's what they want to know. So here, they already started most of it for you. What is the total number of flowers she got? Get ready. Yes, 5. So 5 is our whole number. Go ahead and write it with me. And here, they already drew it for you, so you don't have to draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, we have to label. So we're going to put, since we're talking about flowers, I'm going to put an F for flowers. I'm going to do the same on this number bond because remember, the instructions said to label both number bonds. And then it says that she put 3 in one vase. So is 3 a total or a part? Get ready. Yes, a part, which they drew right here for you. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to put vase 1 because those are the ones she put in the first vase. I'm going to put the 3 right here in my number bond. And they want to know how many flowers did she put in the other vase. So we're going to go ahead and label this vase 2. Do the same for the other number bond. So they want to know how many in the other vase. Well, if you already have 3, how many to get to 5? Because remember that 5 is our whole number. So we have 3. Let's go ahead and draw. 4, 5. Stop. Because we got to 5, which is our total. We cannot have more than 5 because 5 is our whole number. So how many in the other vase did she put? Get ready. Yes, 2. And if you look at here, they already wrote most of the addition and subtraction sentences for you. We just have to fill the unknown. So here, for the addition sentence, they started with a part, which was 3. 3 plus, let's go ahead and write 2, equals 5. Now for the subtraction sentence, they started with the whole number, which is 5 minus 3 equals 2. Awesome job, boys and girls. Remember that we're going to keep practicing during the live session. Remember, for today's lesson, problems 2, 3, and 4 are your must-dos. So we're going to do all the problems today as well during the live session. See you then.